Oh, hey there. So we are back with Google Docs plugin. Now I'm going to show you how to delete rows or columns from a table. And so if we go to the demo page, this is the form for deleting rows and columns. First, we need doc ID, then the index of the table. You can calculate it from the document. So I know that it's 24. Then we need to calculate which row we have to delete. So in the document, you can see there are 4 rows. So by default column, we can give any value to it. It doesn't matter. Then for row, we'll delete the first row. So we'll give 0 as value. Then we'll click on the button. Now you can see there are 3 rows. So fourth row or the row has been deleted. So that's why there are 3 rows now. Similarly, we'll delete a column. So for that we can give any value to the row, and for column we'll delete the first column. Then we'll click on this. Now you can see there are 3 columns. So earlier there were 4 columns. Now in the workflow I'll show you which API I'm using. So this is the API called delete table row, where it needs document ID, access token, index of the table, then the row index and column index. And similarly for column also it's the same thing. It's the delete table column API where it uses the same fields as the delete table row. So yeah, this is how you delete rows or columns from a table. Thank you.